In this video, we will look at inverting a function. Suppose we have e power x equals y. If we take the log of both sides, that is log ex equals log y, then we can say x is equal to log y. In other words, to cancel the e, we need to use a log, and log is called the inverse of the exponential function. So the question is, if I have some general function f of x equal to y, how can I find what x is? In other words, how can I find the function required to cancel the f? The formal definition is the inverse of the bijective function f from u to v, x to f of x, is the function f denoted with a minus 1, v to u, y to f inverse y. So that the following property holds, that is f inverse t equals f inverse f of t, which equals t. That is, f and f inverse cancel regardless of the order. Let's look at an example. Suppose that fx is equal to x cubed, and I tell you that f inverse y is equal to y cubed root. For a moment, just take this to be the inverse, and we'll see later how to find it. Let's calculate f inverse t. That will equal f cube root t, which will equal t cube root cubed, which equals t. So in this example, the function f and the function f inverse cancel. So we have shown that f inverse is indeed the inverse. The procedure is, if given y equal to f of x, to find the inverse function we just need to write x as the subject of the formula in y equals f of x. Let's have a look at an example. What is the inverse of the function f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 over 3? Well, we write y equals 2x plus 1 over 3, and we have 3y equals 2x plus 1. 3y minus 1 equals 2x. 3y minus 1 over 2 equals x. Therefore, the inverse function is 3y minus 1 over 2. I would like you to try this one. Pause the video and resume when you're ready to see the answer. So in this, we need to find the inverse of the rational function 2x plus 3 over 4x plus 5. So we have y equals 2x plus 3 over 4x plus 5. Cross multiplying, we have y times 4x plus 5 equals 2x plus 3. 4xy plus 5y equals 2x plus 3. 4xy minus 2x equals 3 minus 5y. That is, we take the 2x over to the left and the 5y over to the right. Factoring out the x times 4y minus 2 equals 3 minus 5y. And so x equals 3 minus 5y over 4y minus 2. So the inverse function is 3 minus 5y over 4y minus 2. Let's look at this one. What is the inverse of the function f of x equal to 2e power x plus 1? Again, we set y equals 2e power x plus 1. Divide by 2. Take log of both sides, so now we have log y over 2 equals log e power x plus 1. But log and e cancel, so we have log y over 2 equals x plus 1. And so, taking the 1 over to the left, we have minus 1 plus log y over 2 equals x. And so the inverse function is minus 1 plus log y over 2. That's all for this video.